Hi viewers, I am M.NADEEM. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, D1 book, exercise 7B, Algebraic equations and simple inequalities. Please my dear students, open your textbook and you see in question number 1, solve the following equations. A part, a plus 5 is equal to 7t. So my dear students, in previous lecture we have discussed that whenever you solve the equation, then you have to find the value of variable. That is, here variable is a. So constant term should be shifted at one side and the variables remains at one side. So it will give you a is equal to minus 5 is equal to 17 minus 5, you will get 12. So the value of a is 12. Now coming to B part. This one is also very much simple part. C plus 5 is equal to minus 2. C minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. Again you will get the simple result. 8 plus x is equal to 15. So shifting the variables at one side and constant at other side, you will get minus 8, sign should be changed, and you will get 7. Value of greater sign should be used here, so the value of x is 7. Now coming to the next part, that is the D part. K plus 0.7 is equal to 2.7. So by the same methodology, shifting the constant at one side, the sign will be changed, coefficient sign should be changed, so you will get 2. Because 0.7 minus, you will get 2. Now the value of next question, y minus 7 is equal to minus 3. You will get the value of 4. Because once again by the same method, these questions are very much simple, so I have to solve the difficult part. So that is your J part, in which you have been asked that 3 by 4x is equal to minus 9. So using cross multiplication, you will get 3x minus 9 multiplied by 4. You will get 36. You have to find the value of x. So 36 divided by 3, x is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, the negative sign, so you will get minus 12. So now coming to the question number 2. Solve the following equation. Once again, you have been asked the same question and same methodology. Constant term should be shifted at one side, so you will get the sign should be changed. 3x remain here, 3x, and the value of x is 6 by 3, you will get 2. 3 2s are 6. Now the D part, by the same method, 4 plus 9x is equal to 22. Constant term should be shifted at one side, so 22 minus 4, you will get 18. And the value of x is 18 by 9, you will get 2. So 2 is your result. Now coming to next part. These parts are also very much simple, no any confusion you can find here, but we have to solve here for you to understand more betterly. That is 7a is equal to 3 minus 10, sign should be used of greater value, so minus 7, the value of a is divided by minus 7, and minus minus will be cancelled, so you will get 1. Now coming to the D part, 2 minus 5h is equal to minus 18 minus 18 minus 2 minus 20, 5h minus, so you have to find the value of h. Minus 20 divided by minus 5, you will get 4, because these two minuses will be cancelled with each other, so we will get 4 result. Now coming to the next part. that is your f part 5x minus 3 by 4 is equal to 2 whole 1 by 4. First of all, we have to remove the whole numbers. 4 2s are 8, 9 by 4 and 5x minus 3 by 4. Again, by the same methodology, constant term should be shifted at one side, so it becomes positive. Sign should be changed here. So whenever you have to solve, there is your LCM 4, 9 plus 3, you will get 12 by 4 and 4 3s are 12. That is your 5x, and you have to find the value of x. Now the value of x is, you have to divide the 5 here, 3 by 5. So here is your solution. Now coming to the next part. Now again we have to solve the difficult part one, because all the parts are of similar manner. So you can see the h part 3 whole 1 by 4 plus 4x is equal to 1 whole 3 by 4. 4 1s are 4 and 7 will be added with, so 7 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 13 by 4 plus 4x, again constant terms will be at one side, so minus 13 by 4, and such kind of equation can be solved by taking LCM. We have discussed so many times. So you will get the sign of greater value should be used, 7, and you will get 6, but the sign of greater value, so by simplification 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, you will get 3 by 2, that is your 4x. Now you have to find the value of 4. You can see here, if you have 4x is equal to minus 3 by 2, what should you do? Then by using cross multiplication, we have to remove this 4. This 4 can be multiplied with this 2 multiplied by 4, so minus 3 by 8. So here is your solution. Now similarly, you can see the last part of this question. Second last part you can see here, because 2h plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2.8. 2.8 minus 1.3, 2h, h is equal to minus it, so you will get 2.8 minus 1.3, you will get 1.5. The value of h is 1.5 by 2, and you can simply divide it, you will get 0.75. or if you don't want to get the result in decimal form, so you can see here the value of h is, remove the decimal, so it is your 15 by 10 by 100 by 10 by 2, 15 by 10 by 2, so you will get 15 by 20, because these two terms will be multiplied with each other according to the method. So again you can see that 15 by 20, if can be simplified, then it's okay, otherwise it is your result. So you can see here, we can simplify it. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So your another solution is 3 by 4. First solution is, the value of h is 0.75, or you don't want to find in decimal form, so you can find in fraction form also. So here is the step. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 3. Solve the following equation. A part, again by the same method, no any big change to be seen here. So you see here, first of all we have to remove this bracket, so multiply 3 with, you will get 3x, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 15, is equal to 15 minus 9, because we have to shift the constant terms at one side, so you will get 3x and 6x, the greater value sign should be 8, so when there is no sign, it means it is positive. So 6 by 3 and x is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. By the same method, no any difficult question have been given here, only we have to solve once again the d part, because other two parts are very much simple. So 3 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 18. Multiply it, 3 to the 6x, 15, 18, 18 minus 15, 6x, this will be shifted and you will get 3, 6x, the value of x is 3 by 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 by 2. So my dear students, by the same method we have calculated the result. So now a few questions have been given in decimal form, so we are going to solve these questions. For example, in H part you have been given 7 multiplied by 2.8 minus 4x is equal to 2.8. How to solve the decimal? So multiply it. After multiplication, 2.8 multiplied by 7, you will get 19.6 and 28x is equal to 22.8. So again, by the same method, constant term should be shifted at another point, so you will get minus 28x. So minus it, the sign of greater value should be used here. So 19.6 minus 2.8, you will get 16.8. Minus 16.8 divided by 28 minus 28. So the value of x is, minus minus will be cancelled with each other. So divide this by 28, you will get 0.6. So here is your result. If you don't want to see in decimal form, remove this decimal form like as shifted there, x is equal to 6 by 10. So you can simplify it, because 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So it is your in fraction form. So 3 by 5 is the value of x. Now coming to the last part of this exercise, by the same method, I part 3 into 3h 1.2 is equal to 5.7. So my dear students, I part, you see here, multiply 3 3 is 9h minus multiply 5.7. Okay, so multiply 1.2 multiply by 3, you will get 3.6. So constant term should be shifted at one side, you will get positive 3.6. it will give you 9h, it will give you plus 5.7, you will get 9.3. Once again, the value of h is 9.3 divided by 9. So divide by 9, you will get 1.033. If you take the 3 decimal places, then it is okay. Otherwise, you can take also, for example, you see that R1.0 is also okay. Okay, so here is the result. So my dear students, we have completed this exercise 7B. I hope that you will learn it and it will be more beneficial to you. Thank you for watching.